Hello everyone, this is Dr. Hashem Serhan. Today we are explaining the technique of UBM Ultrasound Biomicroscopy, which was first described by Pavlin and Foster in 1990. And this high visualization ultrasound, which leads to detailed videoing and description of the anterior segment structures, mainly the angle. Will show here the technique. This is to show we need the patient. The patient needs a supine position, and you need the three things mainly. Anesthetic drops, you will put it on the eye of the patient. Then you will need scleral shell. We will use the immersion soft shell technique, where we put the scleral shell, the eye cup of different sizes. We'll choose it depending on the eye size of the patient. Then we'll put coupling fluids like PSS. Then we'll run the software on the computer. Here's the transducer. This is the most critical component of the UBM, and this is the platform of the software, where you can see we put the patient's details and we select the right eye, the amaran of the patients, and the angle, the transducer frequency, also the gain. Everything in this platform you can select before the patient come in, and then you will start the scan by selecting this button. And also you have here, if you see, you have two pedals. These pedals to stop and take screenshot for the cut you want to visualize and send it in the report. So what we'll start now, BSS, this is Fazla, our assistant. Thank you, her great efforts. We'll do, for example, at the right eye of the patients, we'll put no anesthetic drops, just one drop. Always be sure that you are using the gloves. This is the, you can see that here we have the scleral shells, the eye cups, different sizes. Usually we select, if you can come here, you can see the size of the scleral shell. It's 18 here. Usually we select 20 or 22, depending on the eye of the patient size. Okay, let's select this one. Then we'll tell the patient, we'll tell the patient to look down. Then we select, tell the patient look up, and that's it. So now the scleral shell in the position, look straight, keep your eye both open, and then we'll put PSS, the coupling fluid. After that, this is the transducer. You will hit the button of the start scan.
Yeah.
Start the scan. Yeah. Okay. See the movement of the transducer. It moves within area of 5 by 5 millimeter, and the horizontal lines, taking pictures line by line until 512 line. We'll put it like this, look straight, and see how is the immersion technique. Look to the right, please. Look to the right. See the angle. Look to the left. Looks down. Look down, more down. Look up. Up straight, up both eyes up. Look at me, exactly, you are good. The cooperation of the patient, very important. And just demonstration. So you need to tell the patient to look down, up, right, left. You need to be systematic to check the angle of the 4 quadrants. And after that, you will just suck all the PSS fluids and remove the scleral cup and thank the patient and write the report. Thank you so much. This is just simple demo of the technique of the UBM immersion shell technique. Again, thank you all and see you in other video.